Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. Long time no see. So today I will bring to you one of my newest pair of sneaker, and also I will introduce to you one of the biggest secrets of how can I get those sneakers that I show you with a very reasonable price. So firstly, let's jump into the sneaker. Okay, so now I've got recently a pair of Adidas Ultraboost, and this is the extra shock that I purchased. And here is our main character. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at it. So cool. So you can see from here, super detailed, and oh, look at the midsole. It's so attractive. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Actually, I've got an Ultraboost 4.0 a years ago. However, I've been wanted to explore more about this type of sneakers, so I decided to purchase a new pair recently, and this one is super like over my expectations. So now have a close look at the sneaker, and you can see from here we have a very sexy boot structure of the midsole. It is introduced to have like 26% more than a regular Ultraboost 2020. So I believe that it could be very comfortable when you wear this sneaker. And you can see from here, this have the continental rubber will help increasing the friction when you run, so it avoiding a lot of accident when running. And it also have a very cool structure with con linear energy push system, which help you run faster. And by looking at those sneakers, you can see that the tongue of this sneaker, it is just one piece of fabric stick into all the part of the upper. It is very tight and very fit to your feet, so you won't feel like unstable when running. So this is just a very big plus point. And moreover, you can see that all of the upper with made by knitting material, so there are a lot of ventilation, will help you increase the comfort when using this sneaker. And you can see from here, this is the part that help you tie the shoe tongue, with made by a special type of rubber, and actually it is very durable. For me, when I use the last pair of sneakers, I can see that it's very stable and it won't be like dissolved over the time. So this is a huge plus point for this sneaker. And now we're jumping into the biggest part of today. So because I have already introduced to you that I have purchased this sneaker for a very reasonable price, so actually I purchased the pair of sneaker which only under $40, which is a super reasonable and cheap price. And you know what the secret? It means that even though those sneakers, this is 100% authentic, because it is directly from the mall store for my country. However, there is one big secret. And the secret from purchasing this sneaker is that I purchased them through the e-commerce system. And with all of the code and voucher, especially in a sneaker manufacturing countries like Vietnam, you can purchase it for over 80% discount, which is ridiculous. However, it is still very competitive that you cannot purchase it that easy. However, it's manageable and you can do it. And now I will show you my build of purchasing this sneaker. And other than that, I have already purchased some other type of Adidas, like the Stan Smith, and though like I purchased 3 pair, which is under $15 for a pair. So I will put the price here. So let's check out. And remember, like when you visit Southeast Asian country, we try to buy some type of sneaker like this by using e-commerce app, and you will definitely get the authentic pair with a super cheap price comparing to the retail price on the website. Okay, so that's my secret that I share to you. If you like that, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you the next time in my next video.